Naija, how far? Like this, I don't sit on top my city side my city. So if you be Naija, sit on top your city side your city. Make we chop turkey, reason things together. Based on some things where they suck for Naija cities. Don't they make some people they fish shitting? I will not go feed in Naija, the shop is called they call them chinchi. You don't understand? The special advisor to the president on media matters, where they call Femi Adesina. Oga, you are welcome to the show. See your face. Look at where. See your face. You, Femi Adesina, now you open your mouth. Take talk say, instead of Fulani herdsmen to keep people, make the people who give up their land. You, when you do first like small begin wait meat for pot, you, the special advisor to the president on media matters, now you open your mouth, they talk down nonsense. Say make Nigerians, where they the areas where Fulani herdsmen for the do killings, make the cuckoo carry the land, give the people. Based on say they carry rifle, they kill people, they kill us. Make we give them the land. He said it is better to live on the land than to live under the land. So because they caught threatening us with death, killings, make we give them our ancestral land, our home for Nigeria. It no go work. Femi Adesina, you this your matter, it no go work. You don't understand? Wait, first of all, they tell us say Fulani herdsmen, they be strangers where they invade our land, Nigeria. Say they don't know them, now strangers. Where they invade Nigeria from other countries, neighboring countries. As if they invade your land from neighboring countries and you not welcome the people, what do? You protect your citizens from these killers. Now the same government now they pass back, they come tell us say maybe give them land for ranching. Does it make sense? So my question now to this already used condom, not just already used condom, a leaking one for that matter. My question to them now be say Fulani herdsmen and the cattle ranching business. Now government business, Nigerian government they took cattle ranching. Why you go advise us to give up our land, our ancestral land, our home, because they want to kill us? You they speak English. English when not correct. Say, is it not better to live on the land than to live under the land? Because they want to kill us, As they talk, it be like say we they talk Kenya, we don't know what they talk. Play the video.
Ancestral attachment. You can only have attachment when you are alive. If you are talking of ancestral attachment, if you are dead, what does the attachment matter? What does it matter again? Ancestral attachment. You can only have attachment when you are alive. If you are talking of ancestral attachment, if you are dead, what does the attachment matter? What does it matter again? The National Economic Council that recommended ranching went around those states. It didn't just legislate it, there were consultations. So, if a state does not have land genuinely, it's understood. Not every state will have ranches. You don't have to have ranches in 36 states. So, if there is no land genuinely, fine. But where you have land and you can do something, please do for peace. What will the land be used for if those who own it are dead at the end of the day? What will the land be used for if those who own it are dead at the end of the day? What will the land be used for if those who own it are dead at the end of the day?
Indigenship and citizenship question as well.
It's better, like somebody has said before, it's better to live on the land than to be under the land.
Under the land.
It's better, like somebody has said before, it's better to live on the land than to be under the land.
Under the land.
It's better, like somebody has said before, it's better to live on the land than to be under the land.
Under the land.
You see what is special advisor to the president on media? That means you're not even there. You know advise anything. This guy, not they advise the president on anything. But you know it's the reason he is side, but he dey cash out because he didn't the government, he did work with Buhari, he did the president administration, but he dey side town. The way they look this Femi Adesina, you be winch. If you not be winch, that's why you dey stay near winch. Make your head dey your neck. Make your head dey your neck. How can you stand in front of national TV, go interview you, they go open your mouth for they say, what would the land be used for if the owners of the land are dead at the end of it? Is it your business? Cattle ranching na your Nigerian government business. Nobody even pay me be say the government they tell Nigerians every state say when they give their land and you feel like saying as strangers, you don't know them. Nigerian government, I they suspect you now, I they look now with this my eye. And as they look now with this my eye, the international community said they wash you now. Una go talk one thing, una go talk another thing. Who una the fool? Buhari is working. So you think we don't know what we are doing? Nigerians are fools. Everybody in Nigeria are illiterate. Now alone we dey power now get sense. Now they fool us. Now don't fool us. Now don't fool Nigerians are wise. Nigerians I don't tear. Now don't fool Nigerians again. You think and you reason now. More short talking, more discussing, more reason together. We be partying. Forget. What did they tell you now? May you give up your land, your fatherland, for some strangers because they do nama business. Who nama help? Who Fulani yes may help? You see why what they do? You know work. Nigeria, now our country, now your country, now my country. We'll stand together, stand on our ground, stand on our rights, fight for the betterment of Nigeria. So anywhere, anything they suck where you don't like, make sure say you get a clip of it. Make somebody else somewhere they video the clip because as not be now. This present administration they don't fall our hand. We don't trust them again. Only they allow they lie. They're going to even pass a metal law. Say grazing bee. You know the reason grazing bee. And you tell us say the people are strangers invading our land from nowhere. That alone is an act of war. Niger, any other day, get your PVC. Anybody when don't lead you where, stand to vote them out. Anybody when don't lead Nigeria where, vote them out from your constituency, anywhere, your local government, anybody. Get your PVC. Your PVC is your weapon. Get your PVC ready. 2019 is around the corner. All these people where they encourage this killing, they'll drop. We'll vote them out. You don't understand? Nigeria are your place, not my place. Anyhow I be, Nigeria go better. Not come on to. I'll meet you here. I go.